Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Lab 500 and welcome back to a review on a Gtechniq product. Now I already use Gtechniq products and they're really good. So this is a glass coating kit. So what this contains is all the products you need to deep clean, coat and maintain your vehicle's glass. We're going to demonstrate on the windscreen. Let's go. So what's in the box? So we've got a couple of microfiber towels. We've got the Perfect Glass crystal clear finish with a trigger spray. We've got the Clear Vision Smart Glass and we've got a Nanotech glass polish. We also have a cellular cloth which aids in cleaning the windscreen, I believe. And we've got a little applicator there. So using this cloth, you clean your windscreen first. And the second stage is you take the Nanotech glass polish and you dab some onto a cloth, onto a applicator, and then you go over the windscreen to polish the windscreen. And then once we've done that, we then re-clean the glass, the same as we did before. So then what we do is the magic potion, which is the Clear Vision Smart Glass. You use a lint-free cloth and you get, or applicator pad, and you get, I think, 4 of these in the pack. You put a liberal amount on, and then this is your first coat. So you do it in a circular motion for the first coat. Right, here comes the second coat. We've waited 5 minutes, so we put some more of that onto there. And this time we are going to go up and down. Right, coat number 3. So what we do with coat number 3, again, same amount, and then we go the other way. Okay, that's been 15 minutes. So what we need to do now is we use the other one, which is the G2 residue remover. So it says you do it in small areas at a time and you remove any residue that's on the windscreen. So if you want to protect your windscreen for longer and you want that coating to last even longer, you can also use the water repellent coating. So you get that and you also get a little pad to put it on. We've left that for over 3 hours. We're now going to put this on, leave it for 15 minutes, and then we are going to demonstrate how it works. And now we just buff it off. So normal side of the windscreen, as you can see, it just sort of sticks to the windscreen. Not much use at all. As you can see, it's still sticking to that windscreen. Put it over the treated side, as you can see, it just rolls off. And that will treat your windscreen and it will stay clean like that for up to 4 months. So if you want to get yourself some, get yourself over to the website Gtechniq, and the link will be in the description. What a great bit of kit. It's a great way to keep your windscreen clear and use your windscreen wipers less. That's the end of it. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.